It was a long fight for you. You got the apology in court yesterday. How do you feel this
Yeah, I
morning?
did get the apology. Yeah, I mean, I know the apology probably isn't for everyone, but it meant a huge amount to me, just the acknowledgement alone from the failures and everything. We kind of didn't know whether we were going to get it, and there's been a lot of women in my position that didn't get that, so it is something that I don't take for granted.
Wife and mother of two, Leona Macken, has received an apology from the HSE in court over false negative results in two smear tests that led to her late stage diagnosis of cervical cancer.
I'd never had any abnormalities, and I was kind of thinking, how did I go from a normal smear in 2020 to now cancer in 2023? It just didn't add up in my head, you know. Thank God I did start asking questions because, you know, I don't know would I've ever found this out, and, you know, how many women probably never knew, you know, that there was abnormalities or anything.
Would you like to meet with Jennifer Karen McNeil, who's the Minister for Health, to talk to her about what you've been through?
I think I would just say, like, something needs to be changed. There's so many things in the system that need to be rectified, like, and need to be looked at. It's not good enough. I mean, it's people's family, it's people's daughters, kids are losing their mammies. Like, it's not good enough, and it's 2025 now. Now we need to be doing something. I have two young daughters growing up, and I'm caring for them now, you know.